Hello there, have you ever wanted to get the static from FNaF but don't want to pay for an Adobe product? Well, this tutorial is perfect for you. All you need for this is a completely free copy of DaVinci Resolve version 18 and up. And that's it. First, open up DaVinci Resolve and make a new project. Then, once you are done with this step, import any image into the project by right-clicking in the media pool area and selecting Import Media. Then, if this image doesn't fit the frame, zoom the image in until it fills the screen. Once this is done, click on this Effects button in the corner, and select Search. Once you are able to search up Fast Noise, and drag the fast noise onto your image. Then, select the image in the timeline and go to the Inspector tab and make sure you are on the Effects page. This is where you will customize what you already have. First, set the scale to 0.078. The HV ratio to 0.891. The detail level to 2.791. The detail balance to 0.453. The brightness to -0.333. The contrast to 0.698, and, finally, make sure to check the box that says, Invert Dark Regions. And there you have it. Visual noise that looks similar to the one found in Five Nights at Freddy's. From here, you can manipulate the settings to make it look closer to what you need, and, you can use the evolution slider to get different stages of the static. Well, I hope this helped. I made this tutorial because I always try to use the free option whenever possible, and I couldn't find any guides on how to make this visual noise without using any Adobe products. So, hopefully, this tutorial can help somebody else who is looking for a way to get this static. One last thing, I believe Scott may have manipulated the static a bit in FNaF, so you aren't really done once you get this if you want to perfectly replicate his static, but this should get you far enough. Well, that should be it for this video. Please comment your thoughts, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.